Most traditional methods of locomotion require physical inputs. Methods suited to desktop gaming and CAD applications occupy use of hands for input control. However, for head-mounted displays, it causes motion sickness due to sensory mismatch. The rising use of HMD technology and movement towards full 3D content calls for innovation in 3D navigation and interface technology. We introduce AnyOrbit, a hands-free orbital navigation and observation technique that exploits proprioception to reduce simulator sickness. We show that lateral motion coupled to head rotation reduces simulator sickness compared to conventional input controllers. From our user study, we found that users experience less simulator sickness and also prefer head-coupled motion to joystick control. AnyOrbit controls the orbital radii of the user in order to allow smooth navigation to orbits about new points of interest. This motion is consistent with the lateral, circular and spiral orbital motion coupled to head rotation that reduces simulator sickness. As the user rotates their head, they move on an ideal trajectory towards a new point of interest. The user or a director can select new points of interest to guide the navigation and observation. Using toroidal surfaces, we can control X and Y orbital curvature independently to allow movement to new orbits in any location. The camera angle is controlled by head rotation, and here the orbital center is controlled by the user using mouse input. Users can control their perspective position as fast as changes in camera angles in broadcast sport, or the user is guided through the stars by a director, who can control the point of interest. In another case, we tested the user's eye gaze to control the orbital center, which allows intuitive point of interest selection. Here, the user can switch between orbiting about different blocks in the environment simply by looking at them. As well as HMDs, AnyOrbit can also apply to desktop scenarios, where again, the user's gaze selects the point of interest. AnyOrbit can be used for observing CAD software, and can be applied to augmented reality scenarios, looking at the stars and other data visualization, for unique game mechanics, and even to navigate 360-degree video environments.